Welcome guys, my name is Albert, and in today's video we are going to be talking about you as the prize. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, because on this channel I teach you guys how to become better men and how to improve your interactions with women. Okay, so if you have not already, hit this video with a like. It helps us promote this video out to more people like you on YouTube. If you guys have any comments, leave it for me in the comment sections below. I love interacting with you guys down there. Now, let's get right into this topic. You as the prize, okay? And to illustrate this point, I want to show you guys a brief clip, right? I couldn't find the original clip that I wanted, but this clip kind of goes into detail of what I'll be talking about. Now, the clip talks about this football player from Europe, right? His name is Zlatan. And I remember when I was a young boy, right? I actually watched the original interview where he said this. I remember this vividly. I tried finding the video. For some reason, I just could not find it, right? But he did say that. Definitely, he did say it, right? I saw it with my own eyes. And when I first saw that video, one thing that I remembered was laughing and remembering how cocky this guy was. I was like, man, this guy is so cocky. But what I failed to realize at that moment was that he was totally and 100% correct, right? They asked him, what did you get your wife for her birthday? And he said, oh, I'm Zlatan. She already has me. That's enough. Now, obviously, he probably got his wife something, right? He probably did get his wife a gift, and he was just maybe he was irritated, or he just wanted to sound cocky, or he just didn't want to tell them what gift he got her. But the idea still remains that he understood that he is the prize, that he is one of the top football players in the world, right? And I'm not saying that you need to be the best in the world or you need to be the greatest thing that ever. If that's your mission in life, then great, right? But you have to understand your value as a man, right? A lot of men prioritize women to the point of pedestalizing them, having one itis over one woman, forgetting that he himself is the prize. He is the one that she actually wants to. She wants to feel like she worked so hard to get this thing because he was so valuable, right? Now, let me make one thing clear. If you're a guy that is out here, he's overweight, has no goals or ambition, at his mom's house, right? Unemployed. Look, you're not the prize. The guys that I'm talking about that are the prize are guys that are on their purpose. They're out here chasing their dreams and goals. They're ambitious men that are looking and actually making themselves and working to be the best version of themselves that they can be. These men, the men that are watching me right now, if that's you, you are the prize, right? You are the prize, and you have to act like it. I'll give you a story, right, of how I feel men these days don't value themselves so highly. They don't see themselves as the prize, and they have to. This is very important. If you want to build attraction in a woman, you have to see yourself as the prize. Because if you see yourself as the prize, that will make you not desperate. That will cure your whole one-nighters, because you understand that she has to prove herself to you. As the prize, you don't prioritize one woman, right? You have a bunch of women that are vying for your attention, vying for your company, right? Because you are the prize. And like I said, I have a story that I'm going to tell you. I remember before the whole shutdown and everything was like locked up, I used to be a club promoter. I used to be a club promoter for like really high-end clubs in Hollywood. I would have a lot of bottle clients that would, come and reserve tables. Like these guys are the top 5% of earners in LA. They were making upwards of $500,000 to $1 million. These guys had money. They had their life together. Dressed in their style was amazing. Everything just on point. The one thing they didn't have on point was their mentality towards women. They would buy these tables that were upwards of $5,000, and they would still be begging me to go get them girls. Oh, can you go get this girl for me? Get that girl for me. Get that girl for me. And when I would bring those girls to their table, they would mess it up because it was like the thirst was real. They were acting like the girls were doing them a favor, right? They were coming from a place of the girl was higher value than them without seeing that they were the ones with more value than these women, right? These women could have been, I don't know, working at a McDonald's, but because they looked so good, they negated everything they had worked for. Like this $500,000 guy, this guy that was earning $500,000 was looking at this girl that worked the makeup counter at Macy's as if she was this goddess. Why? Because she was gorgeous. I'm not saying that you have to make $500,000,000 to be the prize, but you have to be a man that you know where you're going in life. You know what you can offer. You know that anyone that gets to know you, any woman that gets to know you, her life will be changed for the better just by knowing you. That's what makes you the prize. You have to understand this, because if you don't understand this, you are going to keep falling into patterns where it's like you have girls using you. I remember there was a guy that asked me, and this guy was making a lot of money. He asked me, "Hey, what should I do? I've been going out with this girl We've gone out on 4 dates, and all she's given me is a kiss and a hand job, and she's just holding out sex. What should I do?" I told him you should just stop talking to her. Stop talking to her. If she's not giving you what you want, just leave. Remember, you're the prize. She should be throwing the vag at you. I know this. I know it might sound crazy, but guys, as men, you have to see yourself as the prize, something valuable that she has to work to get your attention. She has to work to get your time, not you begging her out, begging her to go on a date with you, not you begging her to have sex with you. She should be wanting to jump your bones. That's the mentality that you should have. Why? Because you're too busy focusing on your dreams and your passions and your mission in life and trying to create a legacy for yourself and your family. That's what should be your priority, right? Not prioritizing, oh, I haven't gone out with this girl. I have gone out with this girl for 3 days and she's not putting out. What should I? No. Look, if a woman is not putting out in the time that you want, you leave her, go find somebody else that's gonna play ball. Easy, very easy, simple. You don't have to be mad at her. Just cut her off. Calls you, texts you. It doesn't matter. If she's not giving you what she wants, she's off the team. She's on the bench. She's not even in your rotation now, because you're not gonna spend time wasting on a woman that's not gonna respect you as the prize. Okay? So this is what you have to understand. You have to understand it beyond anything. You, man, as the prize. And as I said, for you to be the prize, you have to be ambitious. You have to be out there trying to be the best version of yourself every single day. From your body to your style, to your finance goals, to the mission that you want to accomplish in life. That's what should be taking full your full focus. Okay, that's how you become the prize. Okay, guys, that is the video for today. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hit this video with a like. Any comments that you guys have, leave it in the comment sections below. I love interacting with you guys down there. Okay, with that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.